To another home economics online class. Today we're making mini quiches. So download the recipe, the link is below. This recipe uses commercial pastry. Preheat your oven to 180 or gas mark 4, and we're making egg and bacon mini quiches. Begin by dusting the chopping board with a small amount of flour, and this is just to stop the pastry from sticking. We're going to cut out 12 mini circles. I'm using a biscuit cutter, but you could use anything that's circular, a glass or a cup. So once you've cut out as many as you can, with commercial pastry you can re-roll it one more time only, and then place the pastry circles in the baking tray as demonstrated. The pastry circles need to be slightly bigger than the opening to allow for shrinkage. Just push them into the pastry tin. And commercial pastry can be taken straight out of the freezer, and within 5 minutes you'll be preparing. Now use a fork and prick with the base. We're going to blind bake the pastry. Like this. To prevent the pastry from puffing up in the centre, we're going to add some circular baking paper with some rice in the centre just to weight it down. So now blind bake for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, and whilst that's happening you can prepare the filling. For the filling you'll need 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, bacon and some spring onion. I like to chop the rind off the bacon and remove any fat from the bacon. And I'm going to chop it up very small, like this. Now I'm going to add the bacon to the milk. And I'm going to add the 2 eggs. Now I'm going to chop the spring onion into very small pieces. Remove any straggly bits from the onion, and you can either use scissors or a knife, and then stir. So after 10 minutes remove the pastry from the oven, and you'll need to remove the baking paper and the rice. Empty it into a container. You can't use the rice for anything else apart from blind baking. This is just to prevent your pastries from being soggy in the middle. Now add the filling to each of the pastry cups. making sure to get some of the bacon and spring onion in each one, and the egg mixture. You could add other things. So fill them near to the top. Now I'm adding some herbs, which is optional, some chives. You could also add cheese. Even out the mixture. Now place into a preheated oven and bake for a further 20 minutes. Allow to cool for 5 minutes. Serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching.